We all have a gut feeling that our environment affects our choices with regard to eating and physical activity. When it is unsafe to cycle, I am more likely to use public transport or take the car. And when you are hungry and looking for food and you see fast food options everywhere around you, you're more likely to buy some fast food. So, as part of the Spotlight project, we investigated the scientific literature for evidence that our environment affects overweight and obesity. We specifically focused on the built environment. Think about the presence of cycle paths or how many supermarkets are present in an area. And what we found in the literature was not so easy to interpret. While some studies did find evidence that some parts of the environment were related to obesity, other studies did not. Also, most studies were conducted in the US, and one can imagine that the environment, as well as lifestyle behaviors, may be very different in the US than in Europe. And that is why consistent evidence from the US cannot directly be translated to Europe. We also found that some studies measured the environment by asking people about it, and other studies actually measured the environment. And this may affect the results from the studies, as some people may view their environment as unpleasant, while it may objectively provide plenty of options for physical activity and healthy eating. In conclusion, we found that there is no consistent evidence that our environment affects obesity, especially for the European setting. And that is why we conducted the Spotlight study.